Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Candace Pranks here, and I'm bringing you guys a brand new video. Today I'm going to be doing part number 2 of the air horn. The first part went really well. I had a lot of you that enjoyed it, but I had a lot of you that were also telling me that I should, get a better air horn, which I did. See, your boy listened to you guys. I got a way better air horn. This is loud as hell, and yeah, when I walk by someone, they're definitely gonna crap themselves when I walk by them. They're gonna get really scared. That's pretty much what's gonna happen because this thing is really loud. I'm gonna be going with my brother as well, so I'll probably get a few clips in there. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys enjoy, subscribe, drop a like, and hit me with a comment down below. And without further ado, let's get into it, guys. Hope you guys enjoy.
You really scared me.
Yeah, okay.
Did I shit myself?
Bro, this guy is...
Oh, bro, he tells so many stories.
Alright, everybody! Thank you for making it to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys enjoyed, like always, subscribe, hit me with a like, and drop me with a comment down below. This video was freaking hilarious to film. The reactions we got were literally priceless. It was by far like a really funny video to film. If you guys want a part 3, I want you to smash that like button and let me know obviously in the comment down below. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And like always, it's been your boy Candace Pranks, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Peace.